Hello, class of 2020. I'm Liz Quirantes with CBS 12 News. Congratulations on this milestone. I am so happy for you. While you have made your families and teachers and loved ones proud, know that this is your moment, yours. For some of you, getting here has been more of a struggle than others, whether you've been challenged academically or financially, or maybe you don't have the ideal family support system. You tackled those obstacles and persevered, and you did it. And now it's time for you to follow your heart and fulfill your dreams. There are so many choices, adventures, and paths to choose. Don't sell yourself short. Have confidence in yourself. Believe in yourself. Remember to treat everyone with respect. Every person you come in contact with matters. Give back to your community, mentor others, and be kind. Work hard, sacrifice, dream big, and love fiercely. Good luck, graduates. I wish you the very best.